Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change Wi-Fi controls permissions for our applications in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for this option? We need to go to our main settings menu, then we are looking for applications menu next. Here it is, and at the top we have three dots menu here. So special access, and at the bottom we have Wi-Fi control. Here we have every application possible that is installed on our phone that can have access to our Wi-Fi. Let's say we don't want some of them to have access to control of our Wi-Fi. We can change it here. That's it, no need to save, just back out to our main menu, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.